Understanding gender-neutral possessive pronouns in English. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to dive into an important aspect of English grammar: possessive pronouns. Specifically, we'll focus on gender-neutral possessive pronouns. We'll learn what they are, why they're used, and how to incorporate them into our everyday language. To understand gender-neutral possessive pronouns, let's first take a step back and remind ourselves of what pronouns are. They're words we use to replace a noun in a sentence. This helps avoid repetition and makes our conversations smoother and more natural. Now, let's introduce possessive pronouns. These are pronouns that demonstrate ownership. They're words like his, hers, its, mine, yours, ours, and theirs. For instance, in the sentence, "This is my cat. It is mine." Mine is a possessive pronoun showing that the cat belongs to the speaker. Next, we reach the heart of today's topic: gender-neutral possessive pronouns. In English, the most commonly used gender-neutral possessive pronoun is theirs. But another one that is gaining increasing acceptance is theirs, used singularly. Let's take a closer look. In the sentence, "Alex left their umbrella here," "their" is used as a gender-neutral possessive pronoun. We use it when we don't know, or it's not relevant to mention, Alex's gender. So, why do we use gender-neutral possessive pronouns? They're helpful in many situations, particularly when we want to respect people's gender identities or when the gender of the noun being referred to is unknown or irrelevant. They allow us to speak and write in a more inclusive and accurate manner. And there you have it. We hope this has been a helpful introduction to gender-neutral possessive pronouns in English. Remember, language evolves with society, and by using gender-neutral pronouns, we are taking a step towards inclusivity and respect for all. Keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it in no time.